Good morning class, as we have started with the exercises of English language of chapter 2 sentences. Now today we are going to continue with the exercises in English language. Today we are going to do the G exercise. G exercise is based on all the kind of sentences. 4 kind of sentences which we have learned: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and the exclamatory sentences. Assertive sentences. Now let us go through the revision of all the kind of sentences so that it will be clear to all of you. Assertive sentences are those sentences which say or state about something. Interrogative sentences are those sentences which ask some questions and are question based. They always ends with a question mark. Third one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are those sentences which show us some command or direction about or state about something. They are all imperative sentences which commands us or which give us a direction. They are all imperative sentences. Now the last one is the exclamatory sentence which we have read yesterday. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which give us some sudden feeling of joy, pain, surprise, sorrow, etc. Now today the exercise which we are going to do is the G exercise. In that G exercise, we have been given different kind of sentences. This exercise is on page number 13. And in this, we have been given different kind of sentences and you have to tell whether they are assertive sentence, whether they are exclamatory sentence or whether they are interrogative sentence. Now, in this, you have to write in front of it A for assertive, E for exclamatory and I for interrogative. You have to tell the 3 different kind of sentence. So, open to page number 13 in your English language books and let us begin with the exercise. Now, today we are going to do G exercise, that is on page number 13. So open to page number 13 in your books. Now, in this, what you all have to do, we have been given different kind of sentences over here. You have to write A for assertive sentence, E for exclamatory sentence and I for interrogative sentence. Assertive sentences are those sentences which say or state about something. Exclamatory sentences have some sudden feeling of joy, pain, surprise, sorrow, etc. Interrogative sentences are those sentences which ever ask some questions. Wherever we have been asked about some question, that are all interrogative sentences. So in this we have been given 10 sentences over here. You have to recognize whether they are assertive, whether they are exclamatory or whether they are interrogative sentences. And in the short form, you have to write A, E and I in these blanks given over here. You have to do this exercise in your book only. Don't write anything in your notebook. So the first one is, the Ganga is a holy river. This is a assertive sentence because it is saying about something. Second one is, where have you been all this time? This is asking a question because there's a question mark at the end. So this one will be the interrogative sentence. So write I in front of second question. Third one is, do you like to read poetry? This one is also asking about a question, that whether I like to read poetry or not. So which type of sentence this will be? This will be a interrogative kind of a sentence because this question is asking about, this statement is asking about the question. Fourth one is, my father is a pilot. This is a direct statement. So this one will be the assertive sentence. Fifth one will be, hush, Speak softly, Kavish is sleeping. Hush. After that, there's a exclamation mark. I hope after seeing this exclamation mark, you all remember which type of sentence is this. This is a exclamatory sentence. So write E in front of fifth one because this is a exclamatory sentence. Sixth one will be alas, I have lost my shoes. Alas, after alas there is a exclamation mark and this is a sudden feeling. So which type of sentence this will be? This is also a exclamatory type of a sentence. So write E in front of sixth one because this is also a exclamatory sentence. Now let us move to the seventh one. Seventh one is saying, when is your birthday? So this is asking a question. We have been asked a question over here. So which type of sentence this will be? This will be a interrogative type of a sentence. So write I in front of seventh one because this is asking about a question. Eighth one is today is a sunny day. We have been given a direct or been stating statement that is a sunny day. So this statement is of assertive type. So write A in front of eighth one because this is a assertive type of a statement. So write A in front of eighth one. Ninth one is what a good book it is. This at the end there is a exclamation mark. So write E at the end. You can see there is an exclamation mark. So which type of sentence is this? This is a exclamatory sentence. So write E at the end of ninth one because this is a exclamatory type of a sentence. 10th one is this is a beautiful picture. We have been saying the direct statement that it's a beautiful picture. So write this is a assertive sentence. So write A in front of 10th one. Now here we complete with this chapter 2. Today we have done all the exercises A to G and we have completed this chapter 2 today in our books. Now, homework for you all is you have to learn the C and D exercise today in your homework. C and D exercise are on page number 11 and 12. So you have to learn that C and D exercise today in your homework. Thank you.